Last week, I was able to make 2,000 Ghana cedis from TikTok, and I don't have 1,000 followers. So how was I able to do it? In this video, I'm going to explain how I did it step by step with you and explain how other people have also been earning from TikTok, so that if you're someone who wants to start earning from TikTok, you can get some knowledge from this video to start your own TikTok account. So let's get started. So I have two TikTok accounts. One, I've been sharing finance content on it, which is updates and finance. And the other one, I've just been sharing my business stuffs on it. And all these TikTok accounts are less than 1,000 followers. But the question is, how have I been able to, cash out from one of the TikTok accounts? Now, before you understand the whole thing, one way that TikTok have been paying people is that if you are able to grow your TikTok followers from 0 to 1,000 followers, TikTok will give you the opportunity to stream live. So you'll be going live and people will be sending you gifts. So anytime these people send you these gifts, you can withdraw it into your PayPal account or into your Payoneer account or straight into your bank account. That's one popular way you can make money on TikTok if you're in Ghana here. But if you are in a different country like UK and so on, they can give you their you can be in their monetization partnership if you are up to 10,000 followers and all that. But let's leave that and see how we can earn in Ghana here. So another way you can earn from TikTok is through sponsorship. That is, if you're able to grow your followers up to some point, like let's say you're able to grow like 100,000 followers, 200,000 followers, 1 million followers, companies can come and sponsor your content. For instance, maybe you have been creating content about beauty and all that. So like the beauty products can come to you and ask you to promote their products for them. So depending on where you are or what you are creating the content about, that's how they can sponsor you. So anytime you want to create a TikTok account, like consider all these things so that you know what to post on your TikTok account. Now, to me, how I was able to earn last week, I just created the two TikTok accounts in less than 2 months, but I started earning from it. How I earned from it is that I just been posting on the business channel all the time, and anytime people see my service and they are interested, they reach out to me and then I serve them. So I've been running this on all different social media platforms, websites and all that. But TikTok, this is the result I get from TikTok. And I feel like, Charlie, let me let you guys know so that anytime you want to also earn a side income or you want to be earning from TikTok without getting TikTok monetization and all that, you can start your brand on TikTok and be posting about what you do on daily basis. So instead of you just dancing and all that, Charlie, be showing your products to people so that they can also, they can also be buying from you. So guys, basically that's how I earn from TikTok. One other way that people have also been earning from TikTok is through affiliate marketing. On TikTok, they give you a space to place a link. So if you have been promoting people's product or services, you can leave their affiliate link somewhere at where they ask you to place link. So anytime people click on that link and buy something, then you'll be earning from the affiliate commissions as well. So guys, basically it's as simple as that. Don't make anything complex. As a beginner, this is how you can start earning from TikTok. I believe this video has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and follow me on other social media platforms so that anytime a new video drops, you will not miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to see you in my next video.